right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about your perceived value as a technician. So I was talking to a shop owner online and talking about, well, technician compensation. And something you have to understand is there's perception involved. How you value yourself versus how you're compensated. So we're going to talk about it. For simplicity of the examples, we're going to use hourly. Not picking on hourly, not picking on flat rate. Just makes the math easy, okay? So technician A and technician B are working a shop. They are paid hourly the same exact amount per hour. They produce the same amount of revenue for the shop, i.e. efficiency and all that. They make the exact same for themselves and for the shops. So technician A thinks he's fairly compensated. Technician B doesn't. What's the difference? Well, they're just their perception. I mean, honestly, they could be both overly compensated or they could be both poorly compensated. But their perceptions are very different. And that's what we need to talk about. I talk with a lot of technicians and shop owners on my platform in various private messages, emails, messages on Facebook, Instagram. I get messaged a lot of technicians about pay. And unfortunately, it's really hard for me to talk about pay because, well, regionality, you know, what I make in Buckhead versus what somebody makes in Paducah, Kentucky is going to be different. And that's the facts. So technician B's not happy with his pay. He thinks he's producing enough work, he should get a raise. Technician A is happy. He thinks he's fairly compensated. Is either right, is either wrong. That's one of the, well, issues of pay. It is something that is not a, this is it, this is what you should make as a technician. Because, well, technician levels vary. Shop owners' opinions of what technician levels are vary just between shop owners. You know, technician A in one shop might be a C tech, in another shop he's a B tech, in another shop he's an A tech. Same for technician B. So you have to understand that that's one of the issues we have in this industry with pay is, well, we all want more money. We don't always deserve more money. Chances are, though, you might be getting compensated incorrectly. That's one of the challenges of, well, being an adult is negotiating pay when you take a new job and continuing to negotiate your pay as you work for a company. Some companies reevaluate you once a year and, you know, decide whether or not you're worthy of a raise. Other places, the only way you're getting a raise is you ask for it. And that's stuff that just doesn't translate well online because I don't know your situation. You know, I get people complaining about this or that, and it's like, I don't know whether it's the perception that you don't make enough money because you spend all your money. Your perception is, I'm happy where I'm at, but I don't think I'm making enough money. There's so much in this industry in, well, life that there is no, well, one answer. Compensation is probably one of the hardest things about being an adult. You know, just go look at a different industry and you'll see a pay range. CPA pays this much, but you go to look at this company, it pays this much. That's the reality of, well, life. So think about your perception of your pay. Do some research of your area. That's the thing, is if your area is not as, well, high priced as like Buckhead, well, your pay is going to be different. You know, labor rate here is a lot higher than Paducah, Kentucky. It's one of the things you have to, well, figure out for yourself is, are you happy with your pay? And, well, what are you going to do about it? because I can't do that for you. I can't do it for the rest of the guys in the shop. That's between them and the boss man. If you're not happy with your pay, look at what's going on in your shop. You know, that's all I can tell you is figure out if you're, you know, blowing it out of the water and not making enough money because you think you're being compensated below your, well, pay grade, talk to the boss. So, hope this was helpful. I know it was confusing, so thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.